In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal button on Google Sites. This process can be incredibly helpful for anyone looking to seamlessly incorporate payment options on their website, whether it's for donations, purchases, or subscriptions. Let's dive right into it. Firstly, head over to Elfsight, a fantastic platform known for offering a variety of widgets, including the PayPal button. Once you're there, look for the catalog section. This is where you'll find a range of widgets to choose from. Simply click on catalog to begin. Next, in the search bar of the catalog, type PayPal. This will help you filter through the options and bring up the specific PayPal button widget we're after. Once you see it, click on the PayPal button to select it. Now you'll be presented with several templates. Take a moment to look through them and select the template that best fits your website's theme or your personal preference. Once you've made your choice, click on continue with this template to move forward. You're making good progress. The next step involves typing in your PayPal email. This is crucial as it ensures that payments reach your account correctly. After entering your email, you'll need to choose a payment type. Here you have a few options. Check out donation or subscription, depending on your site's needs. Moving on, you'll need to edit several details to tailor the button to your specific requirements. Start with localization settings, which adjust the language and region settings. Then edit the currency to ensure it's set to your preferred option. For most, this will be USD, but choose according to your needs. Following the currency settings, enter the price information, set the item price in USD, and if you're selling physical goods, don't forget to enter the shipping price as well. Lastly, specify the tax type if applicable. Once you've configured these settings, it's time to publish the widget. Click the publish button on the platform. You'll then encounter different plan options. Here you can opt for the free version by clicking select under the free plan. Next, you'll need to integrate this button onto your Google site. To do this, click copy code to get a snippet of code. Navigate to your Google site and access the editing mode. From here, click on Embed, then choose Embed Code. Paste the code that you copied from Elfsight into the space provided. After pasting the code, click Next, and then you'll want to insert this code onto your web page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a PayPal button to your Google site. Now your visitors can easily make payments, enhancing their interaction with your site. Be sure to test the button to ensure everything works smoothly, and thanks for watching.